roads, man. Check this out. They are bad. They are real bad. They ain't even partly plowed them. Look, deep trenches right here from the car. I'm gonna go on tour for a minute. Take a little ride. Show you the snow on the road. It's the Steeler Stacker giving you the weather report in western Pennsylvania. Very deep on the roads, very deep. Surprised they're not plowing, but it just keeps snowing, so they're not even going to attempt to do anything with it till it's done, which that ain't supposed to be till 7 o'clock in the morning around here. So I'm going to cross over a main road. I'm kind of on my street, which is like a side street. Not really. Oh, we're going to slide out into the road. Hopefully nobody's coming. Little broadside action. I love driving in the snow, though. I thought I turned that off. Let's turn off traction control. I didn't hold the button long enough. Now we got power. Gotta have all the power to do it. Can't let that little traction control mess with you. It's not good. But anyway, you should always drive slow in the snow. Don't be a maniac. I always go out and drive in it, though, when we get big storms. I enjoy it. I have fun playing in the snow. Up here to this stop sign, look at it. Just deep. They're deep. Wow, look how deep it is. I'd say we're more in the 12-inch range. Look at that on that wall. It's an example of how deep it is. Just the roads are atrocious. Definitely don't want to be out on tour tonight. If you don't have to be out, please don't be out. I'm just out checking out my neighborhood to see how bad everything is. No wonder it's so quiet, because the roads are terrible. So everybody have a great night. Stay safe. They did this road a little bit. And Merry Christmas to you all.